So we're pretty stoked about Ikea's summer line this year. They have lots of really beautiful things for the home, and I just wanted to show you our haul from this weekend. So for the kids this time, I got gray bins for their toy shelves. I have the red ones right now, but it's just not going with my decor. And they had these really fun stamps, and Ben just loves things like this. So we got him these little stamps. They're like $4.99. Then I got these for separating all of our crayons, pencil crayons, and felts. We're just at that time where we need to like start organizing all that craft stuff. These rice baskets that are super popular are only $14.99. I looked at several stores where they had these and they were sometimes up to $70, and they're all the same thing. So you can use these for throw blankets. I'm gonna put a plant in mine. They're just really in style right now. They have these cream colored vases that are beautiful, and they're fake eucalyptus, which are quite real looking actually, and they go really pretty in some of the vases that they have there. They have little sets of 3 of these little fake succulents too, which just look pretty with if you want a little pop of green somewhere where maybe a plant wouldn't do so well or whatever. These were such a good deal. These placemats, these fabric ones, were only 99 cents for this color, and like I'm obsessed with this color right now. So I also got the table runners, which I think were only $4.99. And the table runners, I saw that they had across the middle of the table, but also instead of lengthwise, widthwise, and they would have like 2 of them. So that's why I got 2. This throw blanket they had in a cream and in a sort of like a blush, but even lighter than that. But it is so soft and cozy, and also a little bit heavier. These were only $29.99, and they're 51 by 67 inches, so they're quite nice and large. And I just love this robin's egg color. I had to get it. We're sitting out on the deck. These are the table runners that I also got in navy blue. They look a bit black in the video, but they're navy. And a lot of my Christmas stuff is navy and gold, so I thought these would be beautiful at Christmas time. And in the fall, I'm doing the teenage girl room design right now, and so there's a lot of natural elements in that room, so I wanted one of these little tablet holders for her desk. These were also 99 cents. These are so expensive, and I just thought they look so beautiful with this color as well, and they're such a great outdoor and indoor charger. These ones were so beautiful, also 99 cents. I just love the pattern. They look good on there. They'll look good by themselves. I love it. Jake had to get this because it's one of those ones you put soap in the top and it releases a little bit while you clean. Ikea just has the most practical things. Beautiful chopsticks. I love these. They have their corkin bottles with greenery on them now. So we definitely had to get one of those. They had this blush pink bath mat. This one was on sale, $3.99 I believe. Normally like $8, so they're already pretty cheap, but I was like, that's such a steal. And then for organization, they had these inserts, and you put this in a drawer and you can put all your jewelry on it. So it makes any drawer like a jewelry specific drawer. So you're gonna put these in the girls' rooms as well. And then along the theme of organization, they have these, and I was just thinking for the summer, fill it full of watermelon, and it would be perfect for taking to the beach. So this was my summer Ikea haul. Such good prices right now. You'll definitely have to get out and take a little look for yourself.